Solo travel is more than just going on a trip by yourself. It's about independence, self-discovery, and breaking out of your comfort zone. Solo travel is empowering. It gives you the freedom to set your own pace, explore what interests you, and build incredible memories. Before you even book your trip, take some time to really get to know your destination. Start by researching the basics. What's the local culture like? Are there any customs you need to be aware of? For example, some places have specific dress codes or dining etiquette that are important to follow. It's also a good idea to learn a few key phrases in the local language. You don't need to be fluent, but knowing how to say hello, thank you, or excuse me, it shows respect for the local culture and can help you out in a pinch. When it comes to planning your trip, having a flexible itinerary is a game changer. You don't need to map out every single minute, but having a general idea of what you want to see and do will give your trip structure. Some of the best travel experiences come from unplanned moments. Maybe you'll stumble upon a local festival, or a fellow traveler will suggest a hidden gem that wasn't on your radar. Being flexible allows you to take advantage of these opportunities. But on the flip side, having at least a rough plan ensures that you don't waste time figuring out what to do every day. You can balance freedom with organization, making your solo trip both adventurous and stress-free. One of the most important things you can do when traveling solo is to share your plans with someone you trust. Before you head out, make sure a friend or family member knows where you're going, where you're staying, and how they can reach you. You don't need to provide a detailed hour-by-hour plan, but giving them the general outline of your trip is enough. And don't forget to check in regularly. Sending a quick message or making a short call lets them know you're safe and keeps everyone's mind at ease. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in an emergency. Trust your instincts. When you're out exploring new places, your instincts can be your best guide. If something doesn't feel right, trust your gut. Whether it's a strange vibe in a certain area or someone's behavior making you uncomfortable, it's okay to walk away. You're in charge of your safety, so don't hesitate to change plans or leave a situation if it doesn't feel safe. Your intuition is often right, so listen to it. It's always better to be cautious than to put yourself at risk. When you're traveling solo, packing light is key. You'll be carrying everything yourself, so you don't want to be weighed down by a heavy suitcase. Focus on packing versatile clothing that you can mix and match, and aim for just the essentials. But packing light doesn't mean skipping out on important items. Make sure you have things like a portable phone charger, a basic first aid kit, and any medications you might need. These small items can be lifesavers when you're on the go. Your passport, ID, credit cards, and other important documents should always be secure. It's a good idea to use a money belt or a concealed travel pouch that stays close to your body. Also, keep digital copies of your important documents stored safely on your phone or in the cloud. That way, if anything gets lost or stolen, you'll have backup copies available. Being prepared can prevent a lot of stress during your trip. Staying connected is crucial when you're traveling solo. Make sure your phone is fully charged before heading out each day, and always carry a portable charger with you. In case of an emergency, having a working phone can be your lifeline. Consider getting a local SIM card or using an international data plan, so you're always connected. This will not only help you stay in touch with friends and family, but also give you access to maps, translations, and local services whenever you need them. Even if you have access to data, it's a smart idea to download offline maps of the areas you're visiting. This way, you won't get lost even in places with poor signal or no Wi-Fi. Apps like Google Maps or Maps.me allow you to save areas to your phone, so you can navigate without using data. It's a simple step that can save you from getting stranded or confused in an unfamiliar place. One of the best ways to meet people while traveling solo is by staying in places that encourage social interaction, like hostels, guest houses, or even co-living spaces. These places are usually filled with fellow travelers who are also eager to connect and share their experiences. Hostels often have common areas where you can easily strike up a conversation or join a group activity. Even if you're more introverted, these environments make it easier to meet people without feeling pressured. Another great way to meet people is by participating in local events or taking a class, like a cooking class or a city tour. These experiences not only immerse you in the local culture, but also give you the chance to meet fellow travelers or locals who share your interests. Whether it's learning a new skill or exploring a new part of town, these group settings make it easy to bond with others and potentially make lifelong friends while traveling. One of the joys of solo travel is the freedom to embrace spontaneity. While having a plan is great, some of the most memorable moments come from stepping off the beaten path. Be open to new experiences, whether it's exploring a hidden gem you hadn't planned for or joining an unexpected local festival. Sometimes the best adventures happen when you're willing to go with the flow and take advantage of opportunities that come your way. Embrace these moments and let them enrich your journey. Solo travel can come with its challenges, but each challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Whether you're navigating a new city on your own or dealing with unexpected setbacks, view these experiences as valuable lessons. Every situation, even the difficult ones, can teach you something new about yourself and the world. By staying positive and adaptable, you'll gain resilience and wisdom that will make your travel experiences even more rewarding. Before you set off on your solo adventure, it's important to plan your budget carefully. Think about all the costs you'll incur: accommodation, food, transport, and activities. Having a clear budget in place helps you avoid overspending and ensures you have enough money to cover everything you want to do. Consider breaking your budget down into daily expenses to get a better idea of what you can afford each day. This will help you stay on track and make adjustments if needed, so you don't run out of money before your trip ends. As you travel, it's crucial to keep track of your spending. Use budgeting apps or a simple notebook to record your expenses as you go. This helps you stay aware of how much you've spent and how much you have left. While traveling, it's important to try to keep a balanced routine. Aim for regular meals and make sure you get enough sleep each night. Staying healthy helps you enjoy your trip more and handle any unexpected challenges better. A consistent routine can also make it easier to adapt to new time zones and keep your energy levels up. One of the simplest ways to stay healthy is by drinking plenty of water. Hydration is key to maintaining your energy and avoiding fatigue. Also, choose nutritious food whenever possible. It's tempting to indulge in local treats, but balancing these with healthy options keeps you feeling your best. Remember, staying hydrated and eating well helps you stay energetic and ready for all the adventures your trip has in store. When traveling to a new place, it's essential to learn about local customs and etiquette. Understanding how to greet people, the proper behavior in various settings, and the basic social norms helps you blend in and show respect to those around you. Simple things like knowing whether to shake hands, bow, or use specific phrases can make a big difference in how you're perceived. Taking the time to understand and follow these norms can help you build positive interactions and avoid any unintentional offenses. Every destination has its own cultural sensitivities. To ensure you're respectful, be mindful of actions or behaviors that might be considered inappropriate or disrespectful. Doing a bit of research before you go can help you avoid common pitfalls and show that you're considerate of local traditions and values. A little knowledge can go a long way in making positive connections and having a more enjoyable experience in a new culture. Familiarize yourself with the local transportation options available at your destination. Whether it's public transit, taxis, ride shares, or rental bikes, knowing how to get around efficiently will make your solo travel experience smoother. Research the best ways to navigate the city and be aware of any local transportation apps or services that can help. Understanding the transportation system will save you time and help you avoid getting lost. Solo travel is more than just a journey. It's a chance to discover yourself and gain independence. By following these tips, you can make the most of your solo adventures and have experiences that will stay with you forever. Remember, the world is full of opportunities just waiting for you to explore. Feeling inspired to embark on your own solo adventure? Hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and guides. And don't forget, the best adventures are often those that you create for yourself. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.